friends, welcome to my channel. Now we are going to discuss one example of go back n. So what is our question? The question is, we are given a distance we are given is around 1000 meter. 1000 meter. So the first parameter which is given to us is distance. Second, speed given is 20 meter per second. 20 meter per second. So this is the speed given. And what is the bandwidth? Bandwidth given is, the bandwidth of the cable is given is 20 bytes per second. So these are the three things which are given to us, and we have to find the length of the packet. We have to determine the length of the packet. Length of packet. And what should be the length of the packet so that we can have efficiency of 50%. We want efficiency of 50%. So to get the efficiency of 50%, what should be the length of the packet? We have to determine that. So what is the formula? And in go back n, let's suppose the value of n is 3. N is 3. 3 packets can be transmitted on the channel at a one particular point of time, one after another. Okay, so this is the question, and we want link utilization or efficiency of 50%. We have to calculate the length of the packet. So what is the formula for efficiency? N upon 1 plus 2a in case of go back n. We discussed this efficiency in the last video. So we have to determine the length of the packet. How much efficiency we really need? 50%. So 1 by 2 equal to, what is the value of n in this case? 3. 3 upon 1 plus 2 Tp by Tt. Tp by Tt. Okay, so 3 upon 1 plus 2 Tp. Tp is nothing but distance upon speed. Distance upon speed, and Tt is nothing but L by B. Length of packet divided by bandwidth. So I am just keeping bandwidth here. So this is actually the formula. It is equivalent to 1 by 2 because we need efficiency of around 50%. So what I will be doing, let's put some values. What is distance? Distance is 1000 meter. So 1000. What is the bandwidth? 20 bytes per second. What is the speed? 20 meter per second into length. We have to determine the length of the packet. So this 20 and this 20 gets cancelled. Okay. So 1 upon 2 is equal to 3 by 1 plus 2000 divided by L. So this is the value. This is 2000 by L. So 6 equal to 1 plus 2000 divided by L. 5 is equal to 2000 by L. And what is the length of the packet? 2000 divided by 5. So 400 bytes. I am taking here byte because the bandwidth is given in the form of bytes. So how much length we have? 400 bytes. So if we want efficiency to be around 50%, then what should be the length of the packet? Around 400 bytes. So this is how we solve the questions of go back and. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.